If your channel has been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to associate an approved AdSense account with your YouTube channel to earn money from your videos and finally get paid. Hey guys, it's me again, Ice King. If you want to be updated of the latest life hacks, tips, tricks, and tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Alright. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step on how to apply for monetization. Ice King. Guys, before we start, I would like to share my humble journey into YouTube monetization. So when I joined YouTube April 4, 2020, I uploaded a compilation video and it went viral. However, in the third day, my channel got a copyright strike. They have taken down my video and also the watch hours. And from that time on, all my hopes were gone. But yet, I still got monetized. And in my next video, I'm gonna share with you guys how I got monetized even though I have a copyright strike. And if you keep watching till the end of the video, I will show you a life hack on how I got 20,000 views in less than a week. That made me reach the monetization threshold in more than just a month. Okay, let's start. So first, sign into your YouTube channel, and then at the top right, click your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. And in the left menu, go to monetization. Now if you are under the threshold, click notify me when I'm eligible to get an email whenever you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So as you can see guys, I have already met the requirements, so I will apply now. And right after that, we must select Start. And right here, you will see the terms and conditions of YouTube Partner Program. So everyone who meets the threshold can apply for YPP. However, of course, we need to meet some of the guidelines to be considered. And this checklist is meant to guide us through the application process. That's why I advise you to run through all of them before proceeding. So once you've signed the term, YouTube will mark this step with a green done sign on the Review Partner Program Terms card. So guys, I will say this again. Make sure that you will only have one AdSense account that is linked to your YouTube channel. So as part of the application process, you'll need to connect an AdSense account to get paid. So click on the Start Sign Up for Google AdSense card. Now if you already have an AdSense account, use the one that's already approved. And you can link as many of your channels as you want to a single AdSense account. If you don't have an AdSense account, you can create one by following the on-screen instruction. So on the given choices, just pick No, I don't have an existing account and click Continue. We will be redirected to Google AdSense after that. So once we are in Google AdSense, first thing that we are going to do is to check our channel and then its URL. So once it is all good, you can choose whether you'd like AdSense to send you customized help and performance suggestions. And I recommend you to choose yes so that it can help you get more out of AdSense. Next, we have to select a country where we live in. By the way, shout out to all the Filipinos out there. Thank you so much for the huge support. Mabuhay! Alright, so next step, we have to review and accept the AdSense terms and conditions. After you review and accept the terms and conditions, just click Create Account. And finally, you're now signed in to your new AdSense account. So you might notice that some of the options in your new AdSense account are grayed out. That's because there are a few tasks that you need to complete before we can activate fully your account. The next step will be a very important step because in the next step we have to input the payment details and contact informations. Guys, make sure to fill it out very carefully because AdSense will send the verification PIN to that address. So after filling up, you will receive this email. We just have to click Sign Up to continue. And next, we have to select Get Started. Now press Redirect so that they will be redirected to YouTube. So as you can see guys, we are now in progress for the step 2. And for your information, I have waited for 2 days for it to be finished. And right after that, they automatically put my channel into review queue. Then the automated systems and human reviewers reviewed my channel and then my content to check that it follows all of the guidelines. So after 3 days, the second step was done and then number 3 was in progress. After that, YouTube will get back to you with a decision once your channel is reviewed, typically about 1 month after you meet the threshold. But in my case, they only reviewed it for 2 days. And in my next video, I will show you how to speed up the review process. And if you already received this email, congratulations! You can now set up ad preferences and enable monetization on your upload. So to enable video ads, you have to sign into your YouTube Studio application. On the upper left corner, you will see the menu bar. Press it and then go to Videos. From here, just select the video that you want to monetize. Next, we have to tap the edit icon. And then, let's go to Monetization tab. Now to turn on the ads, tap the switch for Monetize with Ads. If you use YouTube's Contents ID matching system, you can follow the on-screen instructions to set or modify the usage policy. If you're enabling ads, adjust the ad formats and ad breaks. Remember that you can only enable ad breaks for before or after the video. After all is done, just click Save. Now to change your rental or purchase settings, you must log in into your account on a computer. And if there's a third-party claim on a video, in short, you have a copyright, you won't be able to set a usage policy for the video. So that's it guys. If you have some questions and clarifications regarding the video, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm out.